We have a self-sufficient program. We have agricultural land, we have shops, steel shops, we have wood shops, we have textile shops. We use inmates to produce that. Now this bakery is an example. When it comes to food and specifically bread, then we have inmates that contribute so that we can supply bread at a much cheaper price. For instance, we can supply a loaf of bread for about 8 rand per loaf, where at the moment we are buying bread from external suppliers for about 23 rand and 50 cents. Countrywide, this is the 13th bakery, and we hope to increase it to 20 by 2020. So that is what we try to do. So we save only on this or in this bakery 3 million annually for the taxpayer. If you add all the other activities for self-sufficiency, the previous year we have saved the taxpayers about R500 million. We're producing our own vegetables, we have piggeries, we have abattoirs, and I want to see that we enhance that, because we must remember that the budget of correctional services was cut with 11.7 billion rand over the last 5 or the previous 5 years. So we have to see how we can survive. So that is the whole aim of this. And part of that is the bonus. It's part of rehabilitation. As I said to the inmates, they must see themselves as privileged to work in this bakery. They learn a specific skill. And if they go out of our facilities, they will get a certificate to say the person has worked and has the specific skills in terms of bakery. They will more easily get a job when they're out, and some of them can even start their own bakery and become a businessman or businesswoman or whatever the case may be. So that is another bonus, because we have an obligation as correctional services to ensure that there is successful law-abiding reintegration in our society.
So okokuqala nje besithanda ukubonga kubaphathi bala correctional service ngethuba basiphe lona nendlela abasiphatha ngayo, nanokuthi basikhethise indlela ekuyiyona right. Siphinde sibonge neskill abasiphe sona ukuthi mesiphuma ngaphandle sikwazi ukusebenzisa.